how to install One UI i7 icon on any Samsung phone. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Play Store in your mobile. Over here, search for One UI i7 icon pack. Then tap on this app and install it. After that, open up the Galaxy Store and search for Good Lock. Then open it and look for theme park and install it. Then open the theme park. Then tap on create new. Then tap on icon and select the icon that you have downloaded. Then tap on install and give it a name. After that, just enable it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.